Ngajwanga chenro en migago wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oketo koke chike adek kawuono kar jot mare ma Nairobi, chike makoro biro tayo pok mar omenda mag 2024. Chike mabiro tayo chudo mar omenda e mwandu mag counties motes ni National Rating Bill 2022 kod chike mag pi kata Water Amendment Bill 2024. Chike mag pok mag omenda 2024 chiwo ne counties omenda maromo siling bil 387 ikome 2024-2025. Motelo ne mano noket siling bil 400 ne counties eka bang'e noket lokruok bang' ne wito oko paro mar chik mar omenda mag 2024. Od bura gi Senate osebedo ka yware ewi kwan mar omenda ma owinjo bed ni ioro ne counties ka gikone to koro ne gichopo e winjruok. Chik mar pi biro konyo e nyawo dongruoge ma itimo gi piny owacho mamalo mano ni pi moromo obedo e pacho kae.
The first bill to receive Your Excellency's assent is the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill. The amendments to the 2024 Division of Revenue Act were necessitated by the revenue deficit that arose on account of the failure to enact the Finance Act 2024. This bill is a result of a mediation process of both Houses of Parliament in accordance with Articles 112, 2B, and 113 of the Constitution. The second bill to receive Your Excellency's assent is the Water Amendment Bill. This bill seeks to implement a key pillar of the administration's plan to enhance access to clean water for domestic use and irrigation. Specifically, it amends the Water Act Cap 372 to provide for public-private partnerships in financing the development of waterworks by national government agencies and in the operations and maintenance of water services. It also introduces a framework for the provision of bulk water services by the national government. The third and final bill to receive presidential assent is the National Rating Bill. The amendments introduced by this bill herald a new dawn in land administration in the country by establishing a standardized framework for property valuation and rating. It also provides clear guidelines to counties on assessing property values and imposing rates.